Hi everyone! Welcome to Reading with Roz. Today's story is called Little Blue Truck's Christmas, and it's written by Alice Schertle. Beep, beep, beep! December's here! Little Blue Truck is full of cheer! Every Christmas, Little Blue has a delivery job to do. 5 trees ready to take a ride. How many trees will fit inside? 1 tree, 2 trees, 3 trees, 4. Just enough room for 1 tree more. 5 green trees make 1 big load. Beep, says Blue. Let's hit the road. Blue has friends both far and near. Who needs a Christmas tree this year? Honk, says the goose. This big one, please. Now there are 4 green Christmas trees. Boo, says the cow. This tall one, please. Now there are 3 green Christmas trees. Oink, says the pig. This fat one, please. Now there are 2 green Christmas trees. Ma, says the goat. This short one, please. Now there is 1 green Christmas tree. 1 tree left in a little blue truck. 1 tree left. What a very good luck. Little blue truck needs a Christmas tree. Beep, beep, beep. This one's for me. The end, everyone. Thank you so much for staying with me to read this short story. I hope you enjoyed it. And join us again for the next time with Reading with Roz. Bye-bye for now.